So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a little experiment on tie dyes. So right here I have three different color of dyes. This first one here is the pink one, the yellow one, and the blue one. The instruction on the back of here, but I might not follow through all the instructions. But first, ensure that your table is ready to go with some plastic so that the ink does not mess up your table. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is put this aside right here, and I'm going to show you guys the shirts that I had. So I had these shirts. That is the size shirt that I have. It is kind of windy out here. I'm outside doing this little experiment. So this is the first shirt that I have. I think it's a medium. So 3/6 flat bag. So when you're finished with it, you can place them into the bag after you're done with them. And you need some gloves so that the ink does not get to your arm. What you will need is a rock. This is the last item you will need, and of course you will need water. So I'm going to go ahead and get this shirt down, and I will be back with you guys. So here I have some water. So the shirt is already clean, as you can see. I'm going to wet it in the bucket. Make sure that it is nice. Then I'm going to take it out, bring it out, make sure that it is damp, not too wet. So we turn out. So the next step I have to do is open these and fill them up with water. So stay tuned. So this came with a bottle with a dye and rubber bands. They came with some gloves as well. Going to the next. So that one is the yellow. I get some ink on my fingers. That's the front. I don't know why I choose to do it out here. I have my water right here. I'm going to fill this water up. I'm going to fill the next one and I will be right back. So this is the first shirt which I'm going to do a design for, and I'm going to do a little pinch right here. Roll it. Roll it. So guys, sorry for the wind outside. It was windy. I did not know that it was so windy until I got out there and started working, and I decided that I want to stay. So sorry you guys for the background windy noise. So right here I'm just adding on the rubber bands, and here you have it. So while I was shaking the dye, I did a really bad job at making a mess. That's why there's a lot of dots onto the shirt. So this is how I do it. Just adding on and all the mess. I didn't want to waste the ink, so I just put it on right here. I forgot about my rock, and then I added my rock also while adding on the dye. I add on the pink dye and the yellow dye because I want that pink and yellow look. I think they work good together. So here I'm adding on the yellow. As you can see, I'm making a lot of mess, but The shirt didn't turn out how I want it to be, how I expected. I will show you guys the look that I was going for and the finished product, what it looked like. So after you're done adding on the inks, place the shirt into the bag and let it stay about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. So I allow the shirt to stay for overnight, and this is how it turned out to be before it is washed. So as I was saying earlier, it is not what I expect it to be, and you guys comment down below what you guys think. This is my first attempt of doing tie-dye, so I'm not an expert, just trying a little thing, just doing my thing, you know. I expect it to have that spiral look, but as I said, I made a lot of mess, so that's the reason for it. And this is what I was looking for. So guys, it's luckily ink is well, when you're doing tie-dye, it doesn't really matter sometimes because it can mess up a lot because of what you're working with. So it is tie-dye, so I don't think it really matter the style. Just play along and go along with what turned out to be. It can wear. As you all can see, those spiral going around. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little experiment. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I have more videos like this coming up, so look out for that. I have like 4 more shirts that I DIY, and you all will see how they turned out. So continue to watch, support, subscribe, like, comment, share, and thank you all again for watching. See you all in my next video. Peace. I'm out.